Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at something called multi-dimensional array. We have seen the single dimensional array. It looks like this. Let's go ahead and create an array. Integer, I named this one as first array, and then we put a square bracket. Inside of this one we put some values, like in the bracket we put like 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's put some values: 8, 9, 10, 11. This is our single dimensional array. Now to create multi-dimensional array, what you have to do is you have to put another square. Like this is 2D array, like if you put 2 times it's 2D array. So just put one more time, and then here we put variables like comma, and make sure you put an outside bracket as well, curly bracket and comma, and we create another curly bracket inside and put other values: 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now how to locate these arrays? To locate these arrays, what you have to do is you have to just type first array. First array is our array name, first array, and start like 0, 1, like 0, 1. Okay, first array, square bracket 0, and square bracket 1 is going to be the first element, like that. 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. This 1, 1, 1, 2, like that. It goes like that. And if you want to create rows, put another thing, another one. Integer second array, and again same like that, 2 square brackets. Okay, now we can create again like just 30, 30, 31. Okay, let's put something like 30, 31, 32, 33, comma, let's put 43, 43, and then comma, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 3 rows right here. Now again we have to close everything with a curly bracket. No, not this, here. Now how to call this one? To call this one, again 0, 1 will be the first one, 0, 2 will be the second one, and 0, 3 is the third one, 0, 4 is the fourth one. Then here it's 1, 0, then here it's 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, something like that. So if you studied linear algebra, you already know this, but that's how we locate these arrays, multi-dimensional arrays. And to see this one visually, I'm going to do it in my next tutorial, so you can see clearly what are these array mean. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys on my next tutorial.